Hey guys, Davis here. Welcome back to Tech-Junkie. In the last episode, we configured highly available PF boxes. In this video, we will tidy up our VM by moving all of them to the lab VLANs. Actually, you can rebuild everything in the VLAN we newly created, but I will keep those VMs and I can demonstrate how to move them. Like moving the vcenter from standard vswitch to the distributed switch portgroup, we need two hosts or two network adapters to achieve that. Um, as previous video stated, I don't have two hosts. I have only two NIC on my box, so I will stick with this path. First, I'm gonna move the vcenter and the esxi to the new VLAN, and somehow the domain controller is correlated because of the domain name. We need to resolve that. Okay. The step to move the vcenter and esxi is a bit delicate, and I will explain them briefly with you. But the principle is that we need to have access to the esxi console all the time, because something went wrong, we can always update the configuration on the console. So let's look at the table here. There are various stages. Each of the yellowish boxes indicating there are some changes here. Each stage will have only one or two changes. Mostly they will be correlated, like changing the port group or changing the port group and the IP address on the same box at the same time. Okay, the red box with a cross and arrow means the vCenter will lose connection to the esxi host because of the VLAN or IP changes. Okay, one more thing. We need the virtual workstation to have extra IP, because during relocating the vCenter or the esxi host, it will have different VLANs and different IP address, depends on the stage. So I will add an extra NIC on the virtual workstation, and after I move the vCenter and the esxi host to the desired, which is 1001 VLAN, I can also move the DC to the 1008 VLAN, which is internal VLAN zone. That way, the vCenter can resolve the DNS host name, and yeah, it can connect to the esxi at last. Oh, one more thing. During the relocation or something, I will add another vmkernel adapter to the esxi host, but at the end I will remove it. Okay, let's begin. First of all, let's add a extra NIC for the virtual workstation. NIC. VMX 3. Okay. Where's there? It would be VM network. That's my home network. I might change this 1001 as well. Oh, actually, after After I added the NIC, I should also add the standard vSwitch, the port group actually, 1001 and 1008 vlan. Where is it? Here. Click on the host, configured, virtual switch, standard switch vSwitch 0. Okay, add networking. Virtual machine port group or for standard switch. Okay. Select our vSwitch, of course. Okay, 1001. Oops, there, here. Let's add 1008. That will be our internal zone. Oops. 1008. 1008. All right. Yeah, let's also change that to 1001. It's not a big of deal like the vcenter or the esxi host, because for this machine it will have both IP. We don't have to change the IP during the relocation. But let's see if those NIC is working properly. Where's my mouse? Okay. Apparently my mouse is, wow, nowhere to be seen. Nope. Let's close and reopen it. I don't know what happened. Wow. Still the mouse is not working as expected. What happened? How about we open the console in the esxi. Oh, great. The second NIC is already getting a IP from DHCP, but I don't want a DHCP IP. Oh, what happened? The mouse is not working so well. Let me reboot the machine real fast. I will pause the video for a bit. Hang on. Gas OS. Gas OS restart. Yes. Let me pause. Okay, the mouse is here. The cursor. Log in. Of course. Let's call our trusty CMD, the command prompt, and cpa.cpl to call the connection slap in or something. Never connection yet. I believe the Ethernet 0 is the 10.10.1.9. Yep. The other one should be on DHCP. Yep. Let's change the IP to static. 192.168.111.121, if I'm not mistaken. And one more thing. If you have multiple network on your virtual machine and the NIC you don't want it to appear in the domain, you can go to the advanced TCP/IP settings and uncheck this box. This way, when it get an IP address or boot up, it won't register the IP to the DNS server. Okay. Let's try. Let me have a ping. Oops. Is it 121? Oops. Nope. Crap. Maybe the firewall. Maybe. Oops. Inbound rules. Let's add a real quick. Custom or program protocol any, local IP any, remote IP. Let's add my subnet here. Allow, yes, of course. Allow from home network. Let's try it again. Yep. And in the virtual workstation, can I ping the gateway? If I can. 1.1. Cool. How about 8.1? The internal VLANs gateway IP. Okay, it's also okay. Okay, the virtual workstation is all set. Let's perform the first step. We have to change the port group of the vcenter and the esxi host from the distributed switch to the standard vswitch. Yep. We have to do it in the vcenter. Okay, first the DC01, the vcenter. Edit. Okay. VM network. Okay. Ping VC01. Oh, not you. Ping VC01. Okay. My bad. Let's ping. Because I tried to change the DNS in advance. My bad. 111.111. Is it? Because on the outside I use the host table. vc01.simple-lab.int. Yep. Okay, next one is the esxi. Actually, to change the vmkernel adapter, we have to migrate it from the vcenter. Just browse your host, go to the configure tab, vswitch, and go to your target vswitch and expand it. Click to the three dot. There will be a migrate vmkernel adapter option here. Click on that. If the system have other vmkernel adapter that not in this switch, you can they will be listed here. Yeah, just like that. Select this. VM work label, VM kernel, not a big deal. VLAN ID for me is 0 because actually it's 111. Let's ping esx04.simple.lab.int. Okay. Okay, we completed stage 1 to stage 2. We are gonna according to stage 2 to stage 3, we have to change the port group and IP address on the vcenter, as well as adding a new VM kernel adapter to the esxi host. Which one first? Let's add the VM kernel adapter first. 45, okay. VM kernel adapter, add networking, VMware kernel adapter, VM kernel adapter, okay. Existing network, of course, VM network. Hey, come on. Select an existing standard switch. Stupid me. Next, label VM kernel 2, VM kernel. How about 10? VLAN ID none. IPv4 yes. It will be available for management. IP address IPv4. Next, static IP address 192.168.111.45 255.255.255.255.0. No default rate. Is it good? Looks good. So before we change the VLAN and IP address of the vCenter, let's try if we can remote to the virtual workstation using RDP instead of the virtual console, the VMware console. Also, we should try out the new IP address to access the ESXi host. Let's see. Okay, bring out this one. Yep. Can I? Yep, that's great. That's great. And how about looks good. Yeah, looks good. So let's do it. Let's change the VLAN and IP address on the vCenter. Okay, let's go to our ESXi host. Okay, this one is good. Virtual machine, vCenter, DC01. Edit. So the vCenter new IP address would be 10.10.1.10. It should be in the 1001 VLAN. So at the moment, let's where is it? Where's my cons? here. 1001. Save. Okay. We should disconnect it from the vcenter, and yeah, it's not pingable anymore. And luckily we have the console, so we can change the IP address on the console. But first of all, to change the IP, after some version in 6.5 or 6.7 or 7.0, we cannot change the IP address using the F2 customize system menu. But we have to log in to the system and enable the shell first. Yep, there's a troubleshooting mode option. Man, this menu is so laggy. Okay, by default the SSH is enabled because during the installation we enabled the SSH, but the bash shell is disabled. Every time you enable it, according to my memory, it will get disabled by some time. So after some timeout, maybe I forget. But anyway, just get here to enable the bash shell. Escape again. Now press alternate F1 to call out the login shell. Just log in as root. Give it a password. Okay, come on. Come on. What will it be? Shell. Yep. Shell. This one you have to memorize it, but I will provide it for you in the description in the video. No worry. vami config net. Hey. So there's a menu for you to change your IP address. So the first of all, let's change the IP address allocation for ETH0. IPv6, no. IPv4, yes. DHCP, no. IP address 10.10.1.10. Let me have a look. Yep. Okay. Let mask. Yep, that's correct. Is that correct? Yes. Let's see our virtual workstation can ping it or not. I'm very curious. Yes, we can. Cool. Now let's change the default gateway and DNS after this. Option 2, change the default gateway. Of course, we have only one interface. Go for the 0. Default gateway 10.10.1.1. IPv6 gateway, no. Okay, DNS. So where will the domain controller will be 10.10.8.11 and 12. 10.10.8.11, 10.10.8.12. Domain name optional, no. Search path optional, whatever. Okay, exit this program. Okay, I'm gonna take a break and pause the video, and I will continue on the esxi IP change, VLAN change after my break. Okay, I'm back. Let's change the IP address of the esxi. Where is it? Host, networking, vmkernel next, vmk0. Yep, is it about right? Yep, let's check once again our plan. Yeah, this one added, this one changed it. Yep, let's change the vmk0 to the vlan 1001 and the designated IP address 10.10.1.14. Add this setting, static, expand that. So, wait, what? Can I just use this 1001? 10.10.1.14. Can I? I don't know. Let's try. Oops. Nope. Maybe. Oops. Action. Add the settings. Portgroup. Yep. Add a portgroup. Hey. That's strange. Kind of. $1,001. No, not okay. Why? I bet it will fail too. Okay. Refresh the page. Oh, come on. Am I not changing the 45? Oh, crap. I changed the wrong vmkernel adapter. Ah, crap. Get back here. vmk1001 edit. Change back to VM network. Does it matter? that is not. Refresh here. Yep. Do it one more time. 1001. Only change the. Yep, cool. Changed it. How about change the IP address now? Oh, maybe because the default gateway is blocking me. Let me change the default gateway here. Let me remove the default gateway first. Ah, crap. 10.10.1.1. Can I use this one? Ah, it is a loop. I don't know. Crap. One more time. Change the IP here and update the gateway. 10.10.1.10. I mean, no, 14. What's the matter? Ah, crap. Maybe I have to work it on the console. That's too bad. I thought I can change everything in the web console, but I don't know. It seems not happening. Configure management network. The VLAN should be 1001. Okay, let's change the IP here. IP. Okay, 10.10.1.14. The gateway 10.10.1.1. I hope it will be working. Yep. The IP is changed. How about we ping it here? 10.10.1.14. Cool. Very cool. 10.10.1.14. So we changed the esxi and vlan, esxi's and vcenters, vlan and IP address, but we still have to move the domain controller to the desired vlan, which is this one. 1008 for this lab. Actually, yeah, nothing. I got two internal VLAN. Let's use the 1008. Not a big of a deal. Let's add this setting. Did I change it already? Yep, no, I haven't changed it. 1008. And and DC02 108. Sometimes there's a bug after you choose the network, and even you have saved it, but it is not reflecting. You have to change the network on the VMware console. But let's see if if it's saved already. Console launch remote console. All these should be dead already. Let me close them. But be gone, be gone, be gone. Oops. Be gone, and be gone. Oops. This machine don't have VMware console. Okay, let's use the browser console at the moment. Action, control alternate delete. Wow, so slow. Okay, my IP address would be 8.11. Default gateway 10.10.1.8.1. My partner is 10.10.8.12. Remember, on the domain controller, point to the partner first and then point to yourself. Can I minimize it? No. What a shame. Okay, console. This warning, another user has console session is being previously I have a VMware console connected, but after I did not disconnect it, but after the IP and VLAN changes, the connection should be broken or something. But the host or esxi, the vcenter or esxi still think I have that connection. It will go away eventually. Ten dot 8.12. That's me. That's DC02. 10.10.8.1. And my partner DC is 10.10.1. No, 8.11. Let me have a quick ping on it. Ping 10.10.8.11. So cool. There's one more thing, is the DNS. Actually, give it some time, it will register the IP to the partner eventually. But if you are in a rush, or some impatient guy like me, you can just use the command ipconfig register DNS to have it update more quickly. So on DC02, on on itself. The DNS is already updated, but the DC01 is not. Um, quite similarly on DC01 should be more or less the same. Come on. DNS console. Let's refresh it. Oh, it's updated already. Cool. How about here? Updated. Nope. Okay, because we are on the DC02, the DC01's IP address is not updated. We can issue the command on the DC01. And remember, the CMD must be with administrator privilege. Admin privilege. Yep. ipconfig registerdns. If there's no other network issue, it will be very fast. Okay, DC01 previously is 192.168.111.101. Let's refresh. Okay, cool. Both DC, they're recognizing each other. New IP. Okay. The main factor we came in here is the VC01's IP address. That's not correct. What is it? 10.10.1.10, and esxi will be 10.10.1.14. Let's update both of them. Where is it? Oh, here. Oh, come on. Really? I just switched to the other window. Got locked already. Oh my god. Okay, VC01. Hang on for a second. Do I have a reverse lookup song for the 10? Okay, I have. Let's update the VC01's IP address. Okay, 10.10. Wait, what? 10.10.1.10. Also update associated pointer record. Okay, and the esx04, it will be now 10.10.1.14. Okay, it may took some time to replicate the DNS setting to the other domain controller, but let's have a replicate. Oops. The replication is broken. No. Please don't. Let me wait or fix on the DNS record, and then I will come back to the video. Perhaps after the IP change of the domain controller, I should reboot both of them. Let me reboot them. Yep. Don't know what to do actually. Maybe reboot is faster than my troubleshoot on this one. All right. After the reboot, let's log in and see. What? Oh, right. Number 2, yes. Wow. Come on, man. Oh, cool. Let's see, the DNS is got replicated. Yeah, come on. Ah, crap. I hate this console. Oh, very nice. 10.10.1.14 and the VC01 is 10.10.1.10. Cool. Let's see if we can access the VC01 from here. What? Oops. I know it. The workstations don't have the DNS, maybe? Oh, crap. Yeah, the DNS server is not correct on the workstation. Come on, give me the property. 10.10.h.11, 10.10.h.12. Yes. Okay, let's see if we can use demo admin to log in. We can. That's cool. So the last thing we can do is, I think, oops, not responding. How about I try to connect it by force? Okay, here. Oh. I don't need you. I want the VC01's console. Give me that. shell, and let's look up vc01.simple lab.int. But it is resolving. It's resolvable, but looks like it is having some issue to connect to the ESX host. Okay, good old trick. Let me reboot the vcenter server. Come to think out of it, let's use this vc01.simple lab 5480 port to the management console, the appliance management console. We can reboot the appliance gracefully from here. One more peek. Yep, not connecting. Let's reboot the vcenter, and I will pause the video for you. Okay, after the reboot, let's try. Yep, it's connected. Phew. So the last thing we have to do is once again migrate the portgroup from the standard vswitch to the distributed switch. What's the flash? Huh. Okay, it matters not. Right click on, go to the network tab, distributed switch, right click, and add a manage host networking. Next. Yeah, check on that. Next. Not gonna change the uplink. Next. Yes, we are gonna change the vmk0 as a portgroup. It would be this one, 1001 aside. Next. Don't change the vcenter for now. Change the vmkernel first. Next. Oops, something ran wrong. Something's wrong. Perhaps not 1001. No. Perhaps let me change the adapter on the VC01 first. Come on. (1001). Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can still ping it. Yep, still accessible. Now let's, how about I change it in the crap in a host network. No, configure vSwitches. Click on the dot in the distributed switch, migrating network. No, come on. I have to do it in here. Let me do it once again. Manage host. Not responding. Really? What's the matter? Not responding? Strange. Okay, once again. Add and manage, next, vm next 0, next, 101, yeah, that's you. Assign a portgroup for you. vlan 1001. Assign next, finish. Come on. Oops. No. Let me have a quick look on that. Let me remove the extra vmkernel network adapter first. There's nothing. Maybe it is this one blocking. Okay, let's look at here. Ah, crap. Configure. Is not reflecting the change here. Oh, it's bad. It's really bad. Because, oh, yeah, it moved. Okay. Let's try it once again. Manage hosts. I change it to uplink 2. Alright. 1001. Oops. Okay, there's nothing I can do right now. Let me have a good old reboot. But before the reboot, let me set the VM auto startup. Okay. Real quick. So automatic. Add startup delay 60 seconds. Shutdown option, of course, get shutdown. Automatic ordered menu startup. Nope. Move to automatic ordered. Automatic ordered. Yep. Can I drag it? Oh no, I can't. Move up. Move up. And move up. This one. Oops, no. Move up. Move up. Move up. Yep, domain controller, vcenter, workstation. Okay. $60 on each one. Let's see if it's already reflected in the host. Manage. Auto start. Yep, cool. Alright, let's reboot the machine. Actually, let me also disable the IPv6, can I? Yep. Power reboot. Change the IP. Okay. I'll pause the video now. Let's have another go. CPU exhaustion. Don't care. Come on, man. Okay, I'm kind of give up on troubleshooting on this vmk0 vmkernel adapter. Let's add another one and try to move this new one to the distributed switch. How? Oops. Management. Enable. vmkernel 1001. Next. 10.10.1. I'll use 15. Okay, let me remove this one. Should I? Maybe let me remove it from the host 15. Actually, I should get a new tab. Networking. Perhaps because it's in the about I change it here. Nope, I can't. How about I delete it here? Yep, delete it. Add these settings. IP address. Change to 14. Okay, let's see. Go back to the 14 IP. Yep, it seems working. Okay, one more try. What? 111? What the heck? The host is currently being managed by them. No, how is it possible? But whatever. Let me connect to this host. But all the distributed portgroup will be messed up. I think it's time to reboot the vcenter once again. Kernel adapter, and we delete the old one and rebooted the vcenter. Let's see if we can move the vmkernel NIC to the distributed portgroup. Okay, it seems it have other issues. Let's use the built-in administrator for the vcenter. Simple lab.vc. TCP/IP configuration, the default system stack, DNS seems okay, gateway seems okay. What's the matter? Anyway, let's migrate the kernel adapter. Next, assign portgroup to the 1001 assign Okay, finally, we moved the VM kernel next to the distributed portgroup, but we sacrificed the VM kernel next 0 with a larger number of neck. This is not what I wanted, but it still works. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.